how to replace the line on a Ryobi ONE Plus line trimmer. So first thing you want to do is remove the battery from your line trimmer. Then come to the bottom and find these two push buttons with the arrows on. Press them both together and this will release the cap. You may need to use two hands, so one hand to push the two buttons in and the other to pull away the cap. You can see that's loosened and you can finally completely remove the cap like that. Now to replace the line, you have a few different options. You can buy these ready spun spools. As you can see, I have one here. Or you can rethread the line yourself. It's entirely up to you. You can buy a separate spool of line and just rethread the spool. I have a video how to do that. However, I'll just replace the spool with a respun line. Whichever way you choose. Take the new line and thread it through the hole on the bottom of your string trimmer. Then get the spool line and put the hole onto the bar. Just make sure the line doesn't get trapped underneath the spool when you push it down. If you're happy the line isn't trapped underneath, replace the cap. And there you go, you'll have successfully replaced the line on your Ryobi ONE Plus line trimmer. If you found this video helpful, help me out by pressing a like, hitting the subscribe button, but most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.